In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the banner image on Squarespace. Whether you're updating your website for a fresh look or simply need to replace an outdated image, it's important to know how to do this effectively to maintain your site's professional appearance. So, let's dive into the process. Firstly, let's navigate to Squarespace's website. Once you've arrived at the main page, you'll find an option to log in. Click on that. Squarespace offers several ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, let's continue with Google. Click on the Continue with Google option, then choose your Google account to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll need to locate your website dashboard. Look for Go to your website and click on it. You should now be viewing the back end of your selected site. The next step is to enter the editing mode. There should be an Edit button. Click on it to start making changes to your site. Once in edit mode, we're going to focus on the banner image. Look for an add block option. The design of your page will dictate where you can add blocks, but typically you can add them near the top for banner images. After clicking add block, select image from the available options. This allows you to insert an image block into your page, which can be used as a banner. Following this, look for a plus icon within the image block. This is your gateway to uploading a new image. Select this icon and then choose Upload File to select an image from your computer. With your chosen image uploaded, you'll notice you can adjust its size and positioning. This is crucial for getting your banner to look just right. Click and drag the frame of the image to resize it according to your preferences. Squarespace is quite flexible, allowing for a variety of banner sizes, but remember to maintain balance and proportion with the rest of your page's content. Once you're satisfied with how your new banner image looks, it's time to save your changes. There should be a Save button nearby. Click it to secure your adjustments. And because it's always good practice to double check your work, let's click Save once more if prompted, ensuring all changes are applied. That's it. You've now successfully adjusted your banner image on Squarespace. Play around with different images and sizes to see what works best for your site's aesthetic and message. Remember, the banner is often the first thing visitors notice, so make sure it's impactful and aligned with your brand. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Keep experimenting with Squarespace's features to create a stunning website that captures your audience's attention. See you in the next video.